Welcome to the Euphree guide on how to replace your controller. If the controller on your bike is damaged or needs to be replaced, use this guide to remove and replace it. First, cut the zip ties holding the motor cable to the frame. Carefully unplug the motor cable. Remove your battery and then use an Allen wrench to remove the 3 bolts from the bottom of your frame. Reach into your frame and carefully remove the battery plate, and then gently remove the controller. Unplug your controller from all the connections and then plug the new controller back in. All the connections are unique, so don't worry, you won't be able to plug something in the wrong spot. Carefully reinsert the controller back into the frame. It should be snug, but not too tight. Then replace the battery plate using the 3 bolts from before. Most likely part of the motor cable is still inside the frame of the bike. Gently pull on the motor cable until it reaches the appropriate length. Using the 2 arrows as a guide, plug the motor cable back in. Remember, the 2 arrows should be pointing towards each other. To make things nice and neat, zip tie the bundle of cables located under the frame together. Finally, zip tie the motor and light cable to the frame. Now you're ready to ride. Thanks for watching.